Hello professionals, I welcome you all to another edition of our fire suppression tutorial series. In today's video, I will be elucidating the fire department connection (FDC). Fire department connection is another specified requirement by the NFPA for every fire suppression system. Although it's not that imperative to be implemented in every project design, but because of the assumption that the building water supply might not be enough in case of fire incident. Due to this, NFPA gives reason for the provision of a supplemental water supply, particularly for the firefighters, to be able to abet the building water supply. So on the norm, here is the symbol, here is the standard symbol for it. It's an ordinary valve with 2.5 inch pipe, although it do has two outlets. That's why you might see other symbol that looks like this. MI. So you might have seen other symbol that look like this. You have the main pipe here and we have two valve heads. And as a design engineer, you are only required to indicate their position in a building while you consider its accessibility, and moreover you specify the installation height, although it's always above 500 mm from the ground level to enhance its visibility. So let's actualize the design process. As always, copy from our legend CEO. So considering this our project we've been designing, we'll need to go to the site design, and from our site layout here, this is the main entrance where we have our gatehouse, and if we could remember, we have an hydrant here. So I would suggest we have it somewhere around here too. We're now going back to our floor plan, which implies we'll be having it somewhere around here. Since this is just a single web wall, I don't think it will be easy. So let's consider placing it here. Okay, let's place it here. So RO. From this our fire department connection, since this is a sprinkler system, we will connect a 65 mm pipe from the connection to the zone control station. Sorry, enter. So this is how we do connect the fire department connection. And if probably we are using an hose system instead of the automatic fire system, we will then connect this pipe to each fire hose system. We will definitely elucidate this further in our subsequent video.